The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is the most luxurious version of the flagship S-Class sedan, combining advanced technology with handcrafted elegance. It features a longer wheelbase than the standard S-Class, offering significantly more rear seat space and comfort. The car is designed with an emphasis on chauffeured driving, featuring executive rear seats with massage, ventilation, heating, and even optional calf rests and a refrigerator. Under the hood, the Maybach S-Class typically comes with powerful engine options. The S580 4MATIC model includes a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology, delivering around 496 horsepower. For more performance and refinement, the S680 4MATIC variant uses a 6.0-liter V12 engine producing over 600 horsepower. Both versions include all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Inside, the cabin is wrapped in premium materials such as Napa leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents. Ambient lighting is customizable with 64 colors, and the infotainment system runs on Mercedes' latest MBUX interface with a large OLED central display, a digital instrument cluster, and multiple touchscreens for rear passengers. High-end audio systems, such as a Burmester 4D surround sound setup, enhance the immersive experience. Ride comfort is maximized by the Airmatic air suspension and e-active body control, which anticipates and adjusts to road conditions. Noise insulation is exceptional, with double-glazed windows and active noise cancellation. Exclusive Maybach details include a unique grille, badging, two-tone paint options, and signature wheels. The car also features advanced driver assistance systems for semi-autonomous driving. The Maybach S-Class stands out not only for its opulence and engineering but also for the way it blends classic luxury with cutting-edge innovation, making it a top choice for those seeking a premium chauffeured experience. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.